Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios, and today we're looking at BUZIO, B-U-Z-I-O, and there are some brands that resonate with their customers, and this is going to be one of them. Once you start using BUZIO, you're not going to quit. They have an absolutely incredible and amazing product that you're absolutely going to love. Now, personally, I've taken this one around the world, like literally around the world. I've taken it on cruises. It's been to Cancun. It's been to Cozumel. It's been to the Bahamas. It's been to Puerto Rico. It's been all with me when I went through Europe, all over the place. So it's an amazing product. And it keeps water super cool. Let me tell you a little bit about it and what makes this special. Now, first off, there's some really cool colors. And this one is a couple years old, and you can see it's still holding up very well considering I take this just about everywhere with me. What makes it so great and what makes it so fantastic? Now I'm going to give you an example. I went to a place called Little Barn. It was a little barn. And it was in Florida. It was in the hottest months of summer. So I packed this bad boy up with ice, filled it with water, and then I forgot about it. I left it in my car. I left it in my car for the entire weekend. I came back, drove up Friday, stayed Saturday, stayed Sunday, was leaving Monday, opened it up. It was still filled with ice. Sitting in a hot car in the Florida sun, this thing was still filled with ice water. That's because the thermal layering that they have on these is absolutely fantastic. So whether you're looking for a thermos, you're looking for a place for your ice water, you want to start drinking more water, it's absolutely fantastic. They've got it everywhere in the 30 ounce range, like 32 ounces all the way to the 80 something ounce range. Get the size that's right for you. I kind of like the idea of a full gallon. You can use it to measure to drink a full gallon of water every day. So that's absolutely fantastic. I love mine. I use it all the time. And the fact that this thing holds up like it's meant to last is absolutely amazing. So why are the people that buy this so excited about the product? Like I said, it keeps your ice and your water and your drinks cold. You can put your tea in here, you can put whatever you want in here, and it's going to keep the temperature regulated. I left it in a hot car in Florida, probably 130 plus degrees in that car all day. Still had that crunchy good ice after the weekend. That's incredible. It is sturdy. I throw this thing all around. It should be damaged. I think this is the graphite color. You can pick so many colors. They look cool. They're like a status symbol among status symbols, and it looks fantastic. So you're gonna wanna pick one up today. You're gonna wanna order today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. And look at those ratings. Look at those ratings on Amazon. Over 10,000 people, I think 17,000 people now, probably 20-something thousand by the time you read this. Averaging nearly 5 stars, like a 4.7 average. That is unheard of with that many ratings. It's because people love this product. People love this product, and you're gonna be the next to love this product. So go ahead and order today. Order it with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and the A to Z guarantee. You can return it for any reason in 30 days. They won't ask any questions. So order today. You absolutely will not be disappointed. This thing is fantastic. I've even emailed their customer support, and they had my back. If I had any questions, anything that I want to know about it, they've got me. Great customer service, great products. BUZIO, order today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.